actually in the next couple of days. First for the mountains tomorrow, we've got winter weather concerns and winter storm warning that'll go into effect for the mountains. After a day of 50s and some 40s, hard to believe that we're going to be dealing with more winter weather. It felt nice to have a milder trend out there. Typically we're at 49 degrees this time of the year, so not too far from normal, but we're still sitting in the 40s at this hour. 43 in Greensboro, down to upper 30s in Kernersville. So slow temperature drops as the front is just sitting to our west, and that front is actually going to push through eventually with some very cold Arctic air by our Monday. First though, temperatures overnight in the upper 30s and then gradually warming back into the upper 40s to near 50 by middle of the day with a chance for some scattered patchy rainfall. We may see a quick burst of flurries, but later at the back edge of that storm if we're lucky, and I think you might even have to squint to see it. Most folks are not going to deal with that wintry weather. It's going to be in the mountains and confined to the western foothills if we even have a peak of that wintry mix there even. I think most of this again is along the Blue Ridge Parkway, but mix possible also in the morning hours for a very brief amount of time. So we're going to be watching for that, but it's going to be a wet rain and wet road conditions east of the mountains with mixy weather developing in the mountains with sleet and rain. Then possibly as the winds are starting to pick up, you're going to see snow mixing in, and certainly as the cold temperatures rush through, we've got winds that are gusting 35 to 40 miles an hour in the mountains. So here's what we have a setup for you. Winter weather advisory is going into effect early tomorrow morning, continue through your early Monday morning, and we're concerned here for those areas in purple that we may see 2 to 4 inches of snow from Jefferson, western slopes, higher elevations, and then heading up into Independence. Allegheny County is not included in this right now. It looks like most of that moisture, as we mentioned, is going to be wrung out on the western slopes. We also have some 3 to 6 inches possible for folks up in the Boone area, down south through Banner Elk, and that's where we have that winter storm warning. So most areas in our viewing area not under those advisories. It's simply if you're traveling tomorrow, if you're heading to the ski slopes, you really want to watch for travel concerns there. The hour-by-hour forecast shows those scattered showers really getting going after 7 a.m. Some showers along the front too, and depending on how quickly this front pushes through will help to determine our temperatures. We do believe that we're going to have temperatures in the upper 40s to near 50 early, and you can see a little break in the action may keep you comfortable in the southern Piedmont from Lexington through areas of Asheboro. Back edge though, we could begin to see some of that mix continue through the afternoon, transitioning to snow and some heavier snowfall possible in those pockets along the Blue Ridge Parkway. So not everyone sees the snow like areas of Sparta and heading east on those slopes. I don't think we're going to get a whole lot on the ground. Most folks in the Piedmont Triad and the Foothills will have already started to see drying from strong winds that come up. Temperatures though plummeting into the teens, we believe, by early morning on Monday, and then that cold air rushing in too. So here's a quick look at what we believe may happen with the snowfall for Sunday night into early Monday morning. Anywhere from those 3 to 6 inches possible in those high western slope spots down along the Blue Ridge Parkway. We then have that cold weather alert that goes into effect. This is a cold weather watch, an extreme cold watch for folks from Boone through West Jefferson and Sparta. Galax, as we've talked about before, it's no longer just a wind chill advisory. It's simply a extreme cold weather watch. That does include areas from Galax through Sparta, Independence, West Jefferson, and down through Boone and Banner Elk. So those folks there really have to pay attention to those temperatures over the next several days. We're not going to see temperatures above freezing for folks there until late Thursday, if Friday at that. So dressing in warm layers, it'll be really important. Our first winter storm is Sunday, impacting folks in the mountains, and then the travel impacts are expecting slippery mountain roads, heavy snowfall, and very limited travel concerns for the Piedmont Triad. Of course, we'll watch for some black ice concerns if we have any moisture lingering from late tomorrow night. And by their second weather system, this one could develop on Tuesday. That one still looks to be light, but there is potential to see some light to trace snowfall amounts across the Piedmont Triad. Still much too early to determine how much we'll get if we have any at all. Right now we've got temperatures out there in the upper 30s in the mountains on Sunday, cooling quickly, and upper 40s to near 50, back to the 20s for highs, and we stay sub-freezing all the way up until about Thursday as we reach near 36 degrees. It's dry by then and chilly going into next weekend, but looking forward to those 40s.